Welcome to our subscription box for June the 1st, featuring our Canada Day theme. It includes 6 wood pieces, all the wood, the stencils, the paint, and the supplies you need to DIY. Right here we have a beautiful 3-tiered tray that you can display on, but of course you can use these pieces to display at home on a shelf or a mantle. We also have some options here, our farmhouse riser, which you can DIY, and our round tier tray. Always options that you can check out as well. And our DIY club also features the Canada Day theme. It includes some of these pieces that you see over here. So if you want to learn more about our DIY subscription boxes, feel free to head to our website at homeworksetc.ca.